development distance. It's here. It's the solvent from position. It's in this case here, and the size of the plate. Okay. If you want, you can write here something, but it is not necessary. It is easier when you make, when every time it is the same method and the same samples which are evaluated. Okay, and then you said execute method, and the analysis will be created, and here you can write again the name. Okay, this is right because I have here the same name and it is not possible.
That's right.
That's right.
Intelligent.
Yeah. We can say this.
That is the advantage as you know in a database.
Okay. And now the analysis is created, and here the first step is to fill my sequence table. And here I write the vial number. Every sample from us has a vial number, so we can look for the samples when we judge something. And in this case, I will start with the standard. This is CR. It's granular. Here is the volume, the application volume. I will apply 2 microliter, and here I say the position from the vial. And here is the rack which we use. And when I click here, I get the same. And so I can say, okay, my sample should be here on A1. Okay. Next is my sample. There's my setup. I prefer to separate the standards and the samples. So I take for the standards the A position, and for my samples the B or C or D. So I have a better look for it, and I can better separate it. When I want that this sample should be a second time apply on the plate, I can click here, Control C, and here Control F. It will be copy. That's the possibility, and now I can change only the volume. But the other things are the same.
No, you are missing the L in lavender oil.
Thanks.
Looks nicer with the search function later. It's nicer when you use the search function later. Where the hell did the lavender oil disappear?
Okay. So, and here I can change between reference and standard. And here I can choose if I will suitability system test or not, but in this case I don't, it will not be work because I have only one standard. It's not possible, no? In this case. Okay, so, when the switch is here, okay. but I forgot something. You asked me for the clean plate. So that I get a clean plate, I need this one, and I need it here. Come schon. Okay, finish. And then I go back. This is my plate, and the first step will be the clean plate, which I need for the background subtraction, and in this case, I put the plate here.
Dass du weißt, wie es gelegen ist.
Nein, brauche ich eigentlich nicht, aber ich kann es machen.
Oh, wieso willst du? I just was asking because usually people are informing where is my, or that you always put it the same, but she is doing that different.
Yes, we do it normally. But also, for us, it is sure that this side is only glass, and on this side we have the silica gel. And this side will be in this direction in the ETS4. And so I know that the front will be here.
Yeah.
So,
It's good.
Yeah.
and now, but it's necessary that you don't touch the plate. And sometimes if you take anisaldehyd, you can see your fingers on the plate after deodorization, and this is not good. And usually we write here the name of the plate or the name of the analysis, or you can make an error for the direction in this case. And the plate will be in this direction in the little mother. Before I start, I check the plate if the surface is okay or if there are any crashes or something else, and I do it with 245.
54.
54. Sorry. Okay. And then I must look if I take the right visualizer. And I say continue. And here I show you when he's finished. When it's finished. Ja, bei Weißlicht und 254.
Auch bereit.
Rein. Okay. We make two pictures. One by white light and one by 254.
Doesn't take always that long. I have some.
Yeah, it was slow
Some
earlier
deal.
when we were working. Yeah, after lunch, you know, get a little bit lazy. You have the SSD cards
Yeah.
in the computer? No, no.
Yeah, not on this computer.
Right,
This is a client, isn't it?
This
Anyway,
is a client.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's fine. So yeah, forget about.
And here are the parameters. When I go on this icon and I click with the right mouse, so I can see which parameter are clicked on, and I can change if I want it, but I don't want. For us, it's every time the same. And here it's the default parameter for our analysis, but then the user can change it if you want to do it. So, when I have the picture, I must click here accept, and so I can continue with the next step, and this will be the application. Take my plate, and the plate, the front must look in this direction. Not here, because here's my start front, and here will the sample apply. So. Okay. And here, when I click with the right mouse, I can see the parameter for the solvent type. We use always methanol. For the filling and rinsing quality, and here I can change the choice between standard and quantification, but in this case we make only a standard because I do an ID, an identification, when I want to do with scanner, this one, so I must take this because I have another parameter for the rinsing and filling, and it is necessary so that I'm sure that everything is okay. Okay. And then I say okay. And say continue. And then he start to apply more samples. Ja, dat wordt moment. Yeah.
Yeah, when we did the qualification this morning, it was
Okay.
taking a little while.
And sometimes this is also our test system in terms of usability and so